Yo, what's up? Welcome to the brand new video. Today we're gonna be cleaning this dirty switch. So this is what I use. Okay, cause I don't know, it just works good. So just gonna spray it like that. I know I'm doing it wrong, but that's how I like to do it. If you're wondering what I look like, that's what I look like with the camera, bro. So I'm gonna take up the Joy-Con. Yeah, give it a spray. Then give it a good wipe. Okay, there we go. So do the back. Oh, missed it. Not again. There we go. So this claw AICU like works really well when you're cleaning like gadgets. Then the Joy-Con is dirty, so I need to wash it after I use this thing. I haven't cleaned this switch in a while. Oh my days. You know, I think this one would be better doing that. I don't know. We're gonna break it anyway. Alright. Hang on, let me just grab the charger. There we go, done. Thanks for watching. Peace.